Let's dive into division. Hey super math stars, Sparkles, if you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Let's grow our math family together. Alright team, let's start this division adventure. We're going to use the first digit of 504, which is 5. We'll bring it down to start our work. Now, how many times does our divisor 2 fit into 5? You got it, it's 2. Let's check 2 times 2 is 4. We write that right below the 5. Time to subtract. 5 minus 4 equals 1. This is our remainder for this step. Awesome job, you're doing fantastic. We've got a remainder of 1, so let's get ready for the next step. Ready for step 2, let's keep the momentum going. We bring down the next digit from 504, which is 0. Now we have 10. How many times does 2 go into 10? Think about your 2's times tables. Yes, it's 5. Let's multiply to see. 5 times 2 equals 10. Perfect. Subtract 10 from 10. What do we get? 0. Woohoo, you're crushing it. High five, raised hand. We have a remainder of 0 and one more digit to go. Let's move on. Last step, mathematicians, you're almost there. We bring down the final digit 4. Now we have 4 to work with. How many times does 2 fit into 4? Easy peasy, it's 2. Check our work. 2 times 2 is 4, exactly what we need. Subtract 4 from 4 and we get 0, no remainder left. You did it, that's amazing, you're a math superstar, glowing star. We've used all the digits and have no remainder, we're all done. We found that 504 divided by 2 is 252. Great job, everyone! We just tackled a long division problem together, breaking it down step by step. Remember, every big problem can be solved by taking small, brave steps. Keep practicing and you'll be a division whiz in no time. That's all for today, math adventurers. Keep shining bright and exploring the amazing world of numbers with more fun videos on Let's Stud. See you next time. Bye, waving hand.